Good day everyone! I am Catherine Aurora May Dr. CHICO from Grade 11 STEM Aristotle 2021-2022. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your Matyagang Estudyante. Welcome back and you're still watching to Matyagang Estudyante. So for today's lesson, I will discuss how to evaluate function or evaluating functions. But first, let us review what is function. A function is a relation or rule of correspondence between two elements, which is domain and range, such that each element in the domain corresponds to exactly one element in the range. Let us also define what is evaluating function. Evaluating function is the process of determining the value of the function at the number assigned to a given variable. In evaluating functions, there are two different steps. The first step that we need to do is replace each letter in the expression with the assigned value. Replace each letter in the expression with the value that has been assigned to it. To make your calculations clear and avoid mistakes, always enclose the numbers you're substituting inside parentheses. The value that's given to a variable stays the same throughout the entire problem, even if the letters occurs more than once in the expression. Step 2. Perform the operations in the expression using the correct orders of operations. Once you have substituted the value for the letter, do the operations to find the value of the expression. Don't forget to use the correct order of operations. First, do any operations involving exponents. Then do multiplication and division. And finally, do addition and subtraction. Since we already know the different steps in evaluating functions, let us try to solve the given functions. So example number 1, given f of x is equals to 2x minus 4. Find the value of the function if x is equivalent to 3. So step 1, substitute 3 for x in the function. And we will get f of 3 is equals to 2 times 3 minus 4. Step number 2, simplify the expression on the right side of the equation. F of 3 is equals to 2 times 3 minus 4. Solving this, we will get f of 3 is equals to 6 minus 4. Subtracting 6 minus 4, we will get f of 3 is equals to 2. So the answer is, given f of 3 is equals to 2x minus 4, f of 3 is equivalent to 2. Example number 2, given g of x is equals to 3x squared plus 7. Find the value of the function if g is equals to negative 3. Okay, so step 1, substitute negative 3 for x in the function. Substituting negative 3, we will get g of negative 3 is equals to 3 times negative 3 squared plus 7. Step number 2, simplify the expression on the right side of the equation. G of negative 3 is equals to 3 times negative 3 squared plus 7. Solving negative 3 squared, we will get 9. So, this will be g of negative 3 is equals to 3 times 9 plus 7. Solving 3 times 9, we will get 27. So, it will be g of negative 3 is equals to 27 plus 7. Adding 27 plus 7, we will get 34. So, the answer will be g of negative 3 is equals to 34. Answer, given g of x is equals to 3x squared plus 7, g of negative 3 is equals to 34. Example number 3, given p of x is equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Find p of 0 and p of negative 1. Note, treat each of these like two separate problems. In each case, you substitute the value in for x and simplify. Start with x is equals to 0, then x is equals to negative 1. For x is equals to 0 or for p of 0, step 1, substitute 0 for x in the function. P of x is equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Substituting 0, we will get P of 0 is equals to 3 times 0 squared plus 5 times 0 minus 2. Step 2, simplify the expression on the right side of the equation. P of 0 is equals to 3 times 0 squared plus 5 times 0 minus 2. Solving 0 squared, we will get 0. So, this will be P of 0 is equals to 3 times 0 plus solving 5 times 0 is equals to 0. So, plus 0 minus 2. So, solving 0 plus 0 minus 2, we will get P of 0 is equals to negative 2. Answer, given P of x is equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 2, P of 0 is equivalent to negative 2. For x is equals to negative 1 or for p of negative 1, step 1, substitute negative 1 for x in the function. P of x is equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Substituting negative 1, we will get P of negative 1 is equals to 3 times negative 1 squared plus 5 times negative 1 minus 2. Step number 2, simplify the expression on the right side of the equation. P of negative 1 is equals to 3 times negative 1 squared plus 5 times negative 1 minus 2. Solving negative 1 squared, we will get 1, and solving 5 times negative 1, we will get negative 5. So, this will be P of negative 1 is equals to 3 times 1 minus 5 minus 2. Solving 3 times 1, we will get 3. So, this will be P of negative 1 is equals to 3 minus 5 minus 2. Solving this, we will get P of negative 1 is equals to negative 4. Answer, given phi of x is equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 2, P of negative 1 is equals to negative 4.
And that's all for today. Again, I am your matyagang estudyante. I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for watching and goodbye!